this car,
Yeah.
the only one, the original V8, 1957 Chrysler Imperial.
Wow.
So,
How much would you say it is? Like 10,000 if you bought it in Cuba?
maybe,
10,000.
maybe. In the USA, it's more expensive.
Yeah.
This car maybe 70,000.
What about the tires? Are those made in Cuba or?
The import to USA.
Okay, from USA.
To France.
Okay. Wait, from
My
France?
friend sent this.
France and USA?
Yeah, sent
Okay.
this.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you for your time. Maybe I'll be back on.
Hola, where are you from, sir? Where are you from? Excuse me? Where are you from? Where are you from, sir?
A lot of people try and get your attention here. I mean, not much different than like India or something, but I'm just getting used to the vibe again. I haven't been in a place like this in a while. Do you know where to get like street food here? Like food that they have on the street?
Not like the biggest fucking massage. $10, 1 hour.
Not today.
Not today.
Not today. Gracias. All right, I thought I was gonna find a shit ton of food here, but instead I'm just finding prostitutes. Ooh, a little pizzeria, like a side street pizzeria. ¿Cuánto cuesta un pizza con jamón? ¿Queso? 200? Ok, uno. All right. Adios. So I see people folding these up like tacos and eating them. It's one of the few meals that you can get for like 200 pesos, which is like 80 cents. That can completely fill you up. So everybody eats them here. And if you're starving, it doesn't matter. It tastes freaking wonderful. Let's go find the classic car tour.
The most low price is 40 for the hour.
25.
I can do it for 25, my friend. For the most low price, I can do it not for 40, it's for 35.
How about 30?
The best time in Havana was from the 50s. That is the place.
With all the casinos.
Casino, hawker houses, drugs, everything. Opium, everything.
Sounds great. Yeah.
Now the first stop is inside to the woods, the forest. You will see. Beautiful place. We are here, Brazo.
That's it.
So for the river, straight for that way is the stairs. I'll wait for you here, right?
All right. So yeah, this is the Almendares River, and around it, it looks like this, which is apparently what the rest of Cuba looks like. So on my next trip, maybe we'll see something more like this. I've definitely seen cleaner rivers in my life, but the jungle is absolutely beautiful. It's like Costa Rica here.
There is a place for the government people live. It's like a communist Berry Hills.
So they get a bit better salary a little bit.
Salary, no, it's power.
Okay.
If you what the rich people need about money, it's about power. The government people, the generals, the Castro family, all that cycle.
So if you work your way up in the government, you're guaranteed. You get this house, you get
no, it's
whatever.
as simple like this. You need to have a first luck. So, then you can go get inside from that way. It's Old Havana.
Okay.
And the Old Havana is like this. We just for walk through to the old town.
All right, so that tour was about 50 minutes. It took me across the boardwalk over to the other side of the river, to the jungle, and then through the Beverly Hills of Havana, and then back to the government buildings and stuff. Anyway, it was about 30 bucks, and yeah, I tipped the guy 20 bucks, so $50 total for the whole loop. Alright, so this area behind me is Plaza Viejo. It's basically the Old Town Square. There's a couple of restaurants around here. I'll take you to one. And actually, here's a guy that I met yesterday. Let's talk to him for just a little bit. And this is your restaurant. What is this?
Don Eduardo Alegre.
Okay, and that's right over here in Plaza Viejo.
That restaurant.
Okay, and then you have geology?
I'm a geologist,
Geologist.
engineer.
could you get a job as a geologist if you wanted?
Yeah, I could, but our salary would be around 3,000 pesos. It is less than $10 a month. Here, I earn that in a day.
Wow. And would the government be paying the geologist salary?
The government, yeah, the government pays the geologist's salary, but I think this is shameful. So I couldn't work as a geologist. I had no choice. It's working for the private sector or starve.
And that's pretty incredible. I'll see you around now.
See you. Hope to see you. Well, tomorrow. I don't think I work tomorrow, but I hope to see you.
I'll be back to Cuba for sure. All right, so there's a little place down here called Lava Troa that somebody recommended me, so let's check it out. All right, so check out what just arrived here. This is my plantains, my stuffed plantains, and what's awesome about this is that one is ham and cheese, and the other one is ropa viejo. Now, I like ropa viejo, I had it before, but you know what I like more than ropa viejo? Plantains. I love freaking plantains. And they somehow figured out how to combine these two awesome dishes into one thing. Holy shit. The juice just explodes out of it. In fact, all over my hand. But it's so fucking good. Now let's go in for one of the ham and cheese ones also. It tastes like pizza. So I'm just walking out of the square a little bit to get a feeling for the neighborhood. This looks interesting.
Mani.
Hola.
Mani.
¿Tienes café?
Sí.
¿Cuánto cuesta un café?
Taza.
Sí, un taza. Un taza.
Sí. 50.
50?
Sí. En taza.
Okay. There you go.
50, esa es la cosa. Ahí, café cubano.
Gracias.
Where you from? ¿De qué país?
California.
Ah, California, América.
America, yeah.
América,
Sí, sí, sí,
América. Tengo mi cachumbambi que todas quieren dar por la noche y por el día. No se quieren bajar. Camina pa' que te vea. Monta pa' que te vea.
Gracias.
Ya, lindo, para que me lleve pa' América.
I just came here to buy some coffee. It's like 50 Cuban pesos, which is like almost nothing. Oh man, that's good. That's really rich. Muy bueno.
Ah, bueno, buen café. Sabroso.
All right.
Buen café.
Gracias. The outskirts around Plaza Viejo look, well, like this. Hola. It varies. This is probably the biggest mess that I encountered, but you know, you can find almost anything around here. ¿Qué es esta?
It's gym.
Gym. You exercise.
Yeah, gym. But it's closed today.
It's closed. Do you mind if I film a little bit? Do you mind if I photograph a little bit? Just.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I just want to see what a gym looks like in Havana. Scales, you know, you gotta check your weight. Not too much rust on the equipment. I spoke too soon. And they serve cocktails here too. Okay, gracias. Oh, adios. Hola. ¿Qué es esta?
Pastel, amigo, pastel.
¿Cuánto cuesta uno?
Esto 70.
70.
Sí. Hay de coco y de guayaba.
¿Coco?
Coco. Guayaba. Coco.
Coco.
Hombre. Gracias.
¿Qué es esta?
Pastel.
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 Pasta.
Pastel. Pastel.
Pastel.
Pastel.
Pastel.
Pastel. Haha, okay. Pastel.
Pastel. Ay, ay.
Pastel.
Ay, ay, ay.
Pastel.
Pastel.
Yeah, gracias.
Pastel.
It's got some sort of filling. I don't know if it's coconut or if it's like chocolate. Might be, I think it's coconut actually. So this is what it's like at like 7 p.m. on a Sunday here. Everyone's just like hanging out almost like a block party.
My friend.
Hola. What's interesting is this area that I'm walking around right now, it's just about half a mile from the Viejo Square. It's amazing the contrast of the tourism and then kind of, I guess, the poverty that's over here.
Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Are you from?
USA?
United States.
Yeah.
Your friend. Come on up.
Oh man, I'm choking on the cookie. But this is the, I guess it's the Bay of Havana. All right, well, I walked like all around town today. I think I'm a bit exhausted, so I'm gonna call it for this video. But I hope you liked Havana, and thanks for watching.